EST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Daviess, Iredell, and Grant. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Guilford County until 7:15 p.m. At 4:46 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area, including High Point. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Greensboro, High Point, Jamestown, and Ocala Marina. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: Guilford, North Carolina. Here is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the listener.